In an existing TIA portal project with a network drive object, change to the project view. Select the drive object listing from the project tree and go online with the drive. Online with the drive, expand the drive object listing in the project tree and double-click Commissioning. The commissioning window opens. Click the Control Panel button. The Control Panel opens. It may be beneficial to enlarge the screen area by collapsing elements to allow full view of the control panel. Take control of the drive by clicking the Master Control Activate button. Click the Continue button only if you can confirm that it is safe to operate the drive remotely without putting personnel in peril or causing damage to the application. Master Control is now with Control Panel. The application process no longer has control over the drive. Click the green button to switch the drive to a run condition. Note that the speed reference is 0 and that the actual speed is also 0. A speed reference must be entered, and the forward or backward button must be clicked for the drive to turn the motor. Clicking the Stop button ramps the motor to a controlled stop. We will now switch off the drive, and note that the operation is no longer enabled as indicated by the grayed out pilot light. Let's enter a reference value to be used as a jog reference. Re-enable the drive and click either the forward or reverse jog button. The jog function only turns the motor so long as the button is held. The motor stops when the button is released. Control Panel also provides many diagnostic and monitoring features such as actual speed, current, and torque utilization, as well as selectable monitoring values. A link is also provided to view the missing enables for the drive and a button to acknowledge faults. The missing enables feature can be very beneficial in troubleshooting the drive. Click the tab to return to Control Panel. Now let's switch off the drive to see how drive status can change the Enables screen. To exit Control Panel, click the Deactivate button. A warning pop-up will appear when exiting Control Panel to warn that the process control will now control the drive and to assure it is safe to return control to the application. The Control Panel is a very versatile troubleshooting and setup tool.